Hello friends, first of all, I welcome you for your wise decision to use Metastock Professional. Metastock is a very versatile tool that professional investors and traders use to take their investment decisions. In this video, we are going to show you certain basic aspects of this software so that we can take you from the basic to intermediate level of expertise. First of all, we are going to show you the database that we have currently in Metastock. You can see all the charts in NSE cash market, NSE futures, BSE, and the two commodity exchanges of MCX and NCTX that we currently have in India. So there are more than 5,000 charts in Metastock that you can open to analysis, right? How you can open new charts in Metastock, how you can zoom in and zoom out within a chart for better visibility, all these things I am going to show you. Now there are some default templates in Metastock, right? By the term default template, I mean that you don't have to add your indicators and oscillators over and over again to all the new charts, right? So I'm showing you how to open the default templates. They are predefined, right? Just by a click of a button, you can open the templates. How you can go from one chart to the next chart or the previous one or another one chart, you can see that, right? I'm going to show you how you can add some indicators and oscillators to your chart for analysis purpose. So let us begin. So most likely you will have a desktop item in Metastock. You can right click on it and open. Else you can also have an icon in your task manager. You can directly click on this icon in your task manager and the software will open, right? So I'm using version 11 of Metastock. So once you open Metastock, this gray screen will come to you. You go to the left hand upper corner, there will be a folder called open. You click that and this folder will come to you. You can go up one level to see all these 5 databases. You can see that there are BSE charts, there are MCX chart, NCDX chart, NSE cash market chart, NSE futures chart. All these charts are available to Metastock. If you want to open the BSE, so you will see all the stocks, those are traded in BSE like BSE Sensex, these indices, those are traded in BSE, all these charts are available. For this present purpose, we are opening the NSE charts and let us see the Nifty stocks, right? Nifty 50 charts. So you can click on the symbol or you can click on the name to arrange the stocks in alphabetically or reverse alphabetically order. You can see that there are some ticks that come in the before the name of the indices. So by looking at the name, if there are asterisks or not, you can directly see whether this is an index or not. You can see that if it is a normal stock, there are no indices, there are no asterisks. But if it is an index, you will see that there is an asterisk before the name. So by looking at this, you can see. So I am opening the chart of Nifty 50. So I am clicking it and going to open. So this chart is opening and these are the indicators and oscillators. Some indicators, oscillators are already set here by default. So this is how we open a new chart in Metastock. Suppose you want to see the chart in a more larger way. You want to see it in a better version. So you have to zoom in. So you can see there are some plus signs here. You can click on this plus sign and it will show you a magnified version. You can click the minus sign here, which is the zoom out, and you are zooming out. Else you can also press the Control plus in your keyboard and Control minus for zooming and zooming out, right? You can also press the Control and then rotate the wheel in your mouse to zoom in and zoom out. So there are so many options in which you can zoom in and zoom out. Next, I'm going to show you how you can open some default templates within Metastock. You will see that at the bottom of your chart, there are some numbers written. These numbers are actually templates. If you click on any of these numbers, a particular template will open. Say it is a clean template, right? Now previously you was seeing a chart with all the indicators and oscillators and like that, but this is a raw format. If you click the first button, it shows the apply clean template. If you click on the next button, this is also a template. Some popular indicators and oscillators come up. They are already predefined, right? So you don't have to plot the RSI, the stochastic, the MACD indicators all over again. So these are technical indicators where these indicators are extremely useful for technical analysis purpose, and we plan to analyze all these things. But for the time being, we are limiting this video to only the basic introduction part of Metastock. So we are closing this template, and when this option comes, save changes to chart, we click no, so that we are getting back to our original charts here. So now we are back to our original charts. So now we learn how we can go from one stock to another, right? Suppose right now we are opening the stock of Nifty 50. Suppose we want to go to a particular stock called Reliance or SBI. So directly on my keyboard, I am writing the name of the stock that I want to go. So whenever I am writing something, a new window appears on my screen and the new names are being suggested, right? So I am searching by symbol. You could have also searched by name, or you could have searched by symbol, so that the particular stocks appear and you can select. Once Reliance come, I'm just clicking OK, and the chart of Reliance Industries opens. Suppose I want to open the chart of SBIN, just I'm writing SBIN on my keyboard and the chart of SBIN comes up. So this is so very easy. You can also see there is a small triangle on this symbol. If I put my mouse, it is showing next security, right? So I can easily go to the next security by clicking on this symbol. This is like this. So I'm going to the next security. I could have also gone to the previous security, the triangle to the left of it, and the previous securities. All the securities are arranged in alphabetical order, so there is no issue. So this is how you can open new stocks in Metastock. And finally, let me show you how you can add new indicators and oscillators to Metastock, right? Suppose these moving averages are already plotted, you want to delete them, right? So just click on them, right click and delete, right? It will ask your permission. You right click and delete, right? Now suppose you want to plot a new moving average. You will see that at the top of your screen a particular window is there, and from this drop down menu all the indicators and oscillators are there, right? So if I want to plot the moving average, I just have to go to M, and this is the moving average. So I am dragging it, I am left clicking it. Whenever I am putting my cursor here, it is showing a hand. I am left clicking it and dragging it on the chart, right? And it is showing me all the options. It is showing me the time period. Suppose I want to give you a 100 or say 70 period moving average, right? The color or style I want to give it as blue, and everything is okay. It is a simple. You can also go to exponential or time series or triangular, any particular kind of moving average. I am sticking to simple and I am clicking OK, right? So a new indicator has plotted, a new moving average has plotted. I can also make it a little bit more thicker. So apply, close, like this. Style, wet, apply, close. You could have also do it from here as well. It is so easy. Okay, so all these options are there. There are many more functions in Metastock that you can do. We are going to show you all these functions one by one. So that's it for this video. In our next videos, we are going to show you how you can do some basic technical analysis, like how you can identify the trends, how you can plot moving averages, what is the meaning of the moving averages, how you can identify the downtrend lines or uptrend lines, how you can draw them. All these things are coming up in the next videos. So I hope you have enjoyed it. So stay tuned. Thank you.